What's the meaning of audiovisual? Audiovisual. Audiovisual.
Audiovisual. Audiovisual. Audiovisual refers to the combined use of sound and images in communication or entertainment. The term encompasses various mediums, including film, television, and multimedia presentations. Audiovisual content relies on both visual and auditory elements to convey information and create an immersive experience. This can include spoken dialogue, sound effects, music, and imagery. The combination of these elements creates a more engaging and impactful message than if they were presented separately. Examples of audiovisual works include movies, television shows, promotional videos, and educational materials.